Okay, everybody, we're in the high tunnel right now. It's currently raining, and as you can see, we finally have the plastic up. Rain isn't coming down too much, but it's here. So we just constructed these raised beds. We still need to put this piece of wood on the corners of the raised beds for at least the bigger ones, just to add a little bit more stability. We may do that with this one, or we may just find something else that we can line up, because this isn't lining up that well. So we may just kind of make it fit. It's raining so hard, it's hard for you guys to hear me, I know, but tomorrow I'm going to be getting a microphone, so I should sound a lot clearer on rainy days. But this is a raised bed we just put together. It's a 2 by 10 by 12 originally, but right now this is a 4 by 6. And this over here is a 4 by 6 also. So this is a pretty good length. And then this is the 5 by 12 over here, the big one. So we're probably going to build, I would say, maybe 5 or 6 more of these raised beds, and we'll have some on the other side of this structure, because we have like a open area over here. And then we're going to have some outside of the structure as well, just to maximize our space. And the next thing that we're going to be working on is, we got a little bit of a water buildup on the outside. So we're going to dig a ditch, sort of like a moat, and just direct the water downward, so we won't have so much water coming in here. And then we got to level out this area inside here, because it's a lot of hills and lumps, but it's pretty dry in here. It's wet on the outside though. But yeah, this is the high tunnel structure. And if you guys need any guidance, tips on how to put one together or how to maintain it, feel free to contact me. Or if you need any raised beds build, you can contact us as well. Alrighty, thank you for joining us. Have a good day.